huge strides as a country in the last 2 weeks when it comes to the development of a COVID-19 vaccine. 2 drug makers plan to submit their vaccines for approval here in the coming weeks, and both report to be more than 95% effective.
There are concerns about equal access to the vaccine and how much we can trust it. News 8's Dana White joins us now with the barriers people in the Black community face in this regard and how they're working to overcome them. Dana.
Teresa and Casey, there's a lingering mistrust between the Black community and health officials, mainly stemming from the Tuskegee syphilis study. And that's when hundreds of Black men who were being treated for the disease didn't get a vaccine, even though one was available, because researchers chose that they wanted to track the disease's full progression instead of giving them one. And now that a COVID vaccine is in the works of becoming approved, Black health leaders want to ensure their community that it is in fact safe.
I think that trust is a major significant issue.
Vanessa Green, the CEO of the Grand Rapids African American Health Institute, says the syphilis study still has an impact on the Black community.
The legacy of that fear is still prevalent today.
Which is why she's working with healthcare leaders to bridge that gap, making sure those in the Black community feel comfortable getting the vaccine.
We're making definitely waves in changing that and improving that.
Will Fobbs, an advocate from Battle Creek, says he's also concerned about fair access.
Start looking at how does that play out, who's first in line, who's last, how is that prioritization going to happen?
Fobbs saying the solution begins with education.
It's a whole nother thing from a public health standpoint to make sure that everyone understands the why.
These two hoping that when a COVID-19 vaccine does become available, it will be given to everyone who needs it.
Because it's really important that we're being strategic, that we're being non-political, and really focusing on what's best for the health of our great nation.
Green also mentioned that the African American Health Institute is working with Pfizer on building that trust and making sure that there's equitable distribution of the vaccine. Live in Grand Rapids this morning, Dana White, News 8.